once again to the chapter number 1 of 9th standard is number system. So students, we are going to discuss your exercise number 1.3 from first chapter, and from that exercise already we have discussed a question, and now we are going to discuss a question number 2, second question from the same exercise. What question is telling us? Question telling us that you know that 1 by 7 is equal to this much. If you don't know, you can find it out, no problem. But we know that they have given us this value. 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857. Okay, fine, no problem. Can you predict what the decimal expansions of? So we need to find out decimal expansion of all these. Decimal expansions of all these means 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7 are. How much will be the decimal expansions of all these? One more sentence is there, without doing an actual division. Without actual division, we need to find out all that expansions. How can we? Let's see. Okay. So the provided value is that here 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857 bar. So bar indicates that this group of digits is going to repeat again and again. So the next group of digit will be of these 6 digits. After that also same 6 digit. After that same 6 digit. So in that way, no problem. Now our question is that can you predict what are the decimal expansions of this without doing actual division? Yes, we can predict. How can we? See. Now we'll take the first one. What is 2 by 7? Friends, can we write this 2 by 7 in this form? 2 into 1 by 7? Yes, we can. This 2 we can take it out separate, and 1 by 7 fraction will be separate. So 2 into 1 by 7. No problem. But now this 1 by 7, we know the value of 1 by 7 here, 0.142857 marks. So it is equal to 2 into 0.142857 bar. No problem. Now we will do one thing. Just multiply this whole decimal number by this 2. Okay, fine. Therefore, this 2 by 7 is equal to, what will it become? It will become, we will multiply this decimal form of the number by 2. So 2 7s are 14, 1 carry on, no problem. 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1 11. So 1 here and 1 will be carry on. 2 into 8, 2 8s are 16, 16 plus 1, it's a 17, 17, 7 here, 1 again carry. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5. Okay, fine, no problem. So 5, no carry, don't worry, we will proceed further. 2 4s are 8. After that 2 1s are 2. Again decimal point at its place only, and 0.28571 bar, and this will be your repeating pattern, 0.28571. So 2 by 7 you will get here without doing an actual division. How? In this manner, because 2 by 7 is nothing but 2 into 1 by 7, and the 1 by 7 value already given to us. 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857 bar. We will remove this 1 carries. Okay, fine, no problem. So 2 by 7 is equal to this. Now let's find the next one, which is 3 by 7. I'll do here directly. You can do it in your notebooks. Okay. So next one is 3 by 7. That was our first one. This is my second one, 3 by 7. So 3 by 7, it can be written in this form, 3 into 1 by 7. No problem. 3 into 1 by 7. Fine. So it is equal to, we can write it as 3 into 1 by 7, 0 0.14, 2857. 2857 and bar. Therefore, we will write here 3 by 7 is equal to how much? 3 sevens are 21. 2 will be carried on. 2 fives are 3 fives are 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 7 here. 1 carry on. 3 eights are 24. 24 plus 1, 25. No problem. Then 2 carries. 3 twos are 6. 6 plus 2, it's 8. Again 3 fours are 12. That means 2 is here and 1 will be carried on. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 1, it's a 4. No problem. Point 0 is that. So this will be the answer of your 3 by 7. No problem. Okay. So it's very easy. Next one, it is 4 by 7. This 4 by 7 we can write how? 4 into 1 by 7. We can write in this form also. And as we know the value of 1 by 7, we can just substitute in the next step. So 4 into value of 1 by 7. Where is 1 by 7? 1 by 7 is here. 0 0.142857 and here is bar. No problem. Now see, just we will do the simple multiplication. Therefore we will get here 4 by 7 is equal to, now 4 sevens are 28. So 28, 8 is here and 2 carried. 4 fives are 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. 22, 2 here, 2 carried. 4 eights are 32. 32 plus 2, 34. 3 carried. 4 to the 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 carried. 4 fours are 16. 16 plus 1, 17. Again 1 carried. 4 ones are 4 plus 1. It is 5. Okay, no problem. 0 0.57, 1428, and that is also a repeating one. So this is the answer of 4 by 7. 4 by 7. Then we will take the next one. Fourth example. So the fourth is what? This we have finished with the 4 by 7. Now it is 5 by 7. 5 by 7. So 5 by 7 is equal to, how can we write 5 by 7? 5 by 7 we can write in this form, 5 into 1 by 7. No problem. Now see friends, if 5 into 1 by 7 is there, then we can write in this form also, 5 into 1 by 7. Value of 1 by 7 is this one. Okay, no problem. These are the carries. We can remove it after completion of our example. 5 into, this is 0 0.142857 and it is also repeating one. No problem. Now see, we will do the same multiplication here. Therefore 5 by 7. 5 by 7 is equal to, we will multiply this number by 5. So if we multiply this whole number by 5, then we will get 5 sevens are 35. 5 here, 3 carried. No problem. 5 fives are 25 plus 3, 28. 28 means 2 carried. 5 eights are 40. 40 plus 2, 42. 4 carried. No problem. 5 twos are 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 1 carried. 5 fours are 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. 2 carried. 5 ones are 5 plus 2. It's a 7. So 0 0.714285 and that will also a repeating one. 5 by 7 is equal to 0 0.71425428 bar. So that is the expansion of 5 by 7. No problem. And the last one is there 6 by 7. So 6 by 7 we will take here 4, 5. Okay, so where do we take it? We'll do it here only. This is the fifth one. So what is that? It is 6 by 7. No problem. So 6 into 1 by 7, as we know that 1 by 7. So it is equal to 6 into 1 by 7 means 0.142857 and bar. So it is equal to, how can we multiply it? 6 7 are 42, 2 here, 4 carried, no problem. 6 5 are 30, 30 plus 4, 34, 4 is here, 3 carried. Okay, 6 8s are 48, 48 plus 3, 48 plus 3, 51. So 1 is here, 5 carried. 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 5, 17, 1 carried. 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 1, 25, 2 carried. 6 1s are 6 plus 2, 8 is 8. And again decimal point and 0 will be here. Okay, no problem. And that is also repeating one. So these are the required answers. Okay, fine, no problem. So we can easily find out these values. What was the question? Can you predict what are the decimal expansions of this? So these are the decimal expansions. This is the first one, second, third, fourth and fifth one. So these are the 5 decimal expansions of 5 given questions. Okay, fine, no problem.